Welcoming back to MSD Learning World. In this video, we are going to see another problem for finding the regular expression for the given automata using a state elimination method. What is the difference and what is the main thing that you can note in this problem is, here we have the initial and final state as the same. In the previous video, we have seen to find the regular expression for the automata using a state elimination method where initial and final state is not the same. So here let us see an example where how you can find the regular expression when the initial and final states are the same. Sometime they may be giving you the automata in the form of a transition table, or sometime they may give you in a form of a transition diagram also. So whatever may be the input, you can directly start applying the method for finding the regular expression. So here, as I have said already, what are the steps to find the regular expressions for using a state elimination method? So here, the first thing is we need to decide which state we are going to eliminate. The first thing is, here initial and final states are the same. So Q1 is initial and Q1 is final. So we have two intermediate states Q2 and Q3. So you are supposed to eliminate both the state Q2 as well as Q3. And you can eliminate these states in any order. You can either eliminate the state Q3 first or Q2 first. Any state you can eliminate. Now let me take a choice to eliminate the state Q2. So the state which is going to be eliminated first has to be drawn in the bottom of the transition diagram in order to apply the rule number 1. So here, since there are two intermediate states, here the steps for finding the regular expression is, here the first step is I am going to eliminate the state. Here the state, first thing is state Q2 is eliminated. State Q2 is eliminated. So that state Q2 is eliminated by using rule number 1. By rule 1. By considering 4 cases. By 4 cases. Because this Q2 is involved in this automata from the path Q1 to Q3. The case number 2 is Q3 to Q1. Case number 3 is Q1 Q to Q1. Case number 4 is Q3 Q to Q3. So this Q2 is involved in this automata in 4 cases. The second step is we are going to eliminate state Q3. State Q3 is eliminated. State Q3 is eliminated by rule 2. After eliminating the state Q3, you will have only Q1 which is both initial and final. Such a case, at last, apply Q3, apply rule 3 to find the regular expression. This is what are the steps to find the regular expression by using the state elimination method when you have the initial and final states are the same. So now let us see the regular expression for the first step for eliminating the state Q2. So here the step number 4 is to eliminate state Q2. So to eliminate state Q2. So here state Q2 is going to be eliminated. Step number 4. So I am going to draw the automata where Q2 is at the bottom. So here have Q1 which is both initial and final, and here Q2 is going to be on the bottom, Q3 here, and here you are going to consider the case number 1. So case number 1 is from Q1 to Q3. So here all the path should be towards Q3, and you have a self loop for Q2. It is 1. So you have to write it. Check whether do you have Q1 to Q3. From Q1 to Q3 you don't have any path. So write this as pi. Then from Q1 to Q2, Q1 to Q2 it is 1. From Q2 to Q3 it is 0. So you write all the regular expressions towards the path Q3. So this is now it is R, it is capital Q, it is S, and it is P. So to eliminate, your R will be equal to R plus Q into S star into P. So you will have the state Q1 Q1 is initial and Q3, and you are going to write the regular expression. So what will be the value? So R is pi. So you will have R equal to pi plus Q is 1 into S star 1 star into 0. So pi plus R is R. So R is nothing but 1 1 star 0. But you don't want to apply the minimization rule for 1 1 star. So the value will be 1 1 star 0. Now you need to apply the case number 2. So for the case number 2, you need to consider the path. You need to consider the path from. So now we are going to consider case number 2. Case number 2 is from previously we consider from Q1 to Q3. So now you need to consider from Q3 to Q1. So you need to draw Q1, then Q3. From Q3 to Q1, all the path should be towards Q1. So now check, do you have any self loop here? So self loop will be there. So you must write the self loop always. Then Q3 to Q1. Q3 to Q1 it is 0. Then Q3 to Q2. Q3 to Q2 it is 1. Then Q2 to Q1. So Q2 to Q1 it does not have any path. So it is pi. Now it is R, it is Q, it is S and it is P. So here you will have R will be equal to capital R plus Q into S star into P. So 0 plus S star is Q is 0 plus 1 into 1 star into you will have pi. So pi into R will be only pi. So you will have only 0 as the answer. Because the minimization rules has to be applied clearly for. You have to apply very clearly only for pi and epsilon. So pi into R will be only pi. So you will have only 0 as the answer. So here for the path from Q3 to Q1 you will have only 0. So here after eliminating the state Q2, here for Q1 the initial and Q3 to Q1 it is only 0. So this is what is case number 2. Now you need to consider the case number 3. So the case 3 will be what? The self loop from Q1, Q2 and Q3. So you need to consider here. So you will have the next case number 3 is Q1, Q2 and Q1. So draw this Q1 which is both initial and final and draw Q2. So Q1 you have a self loop 0 and from Q1 to Q2 it is 1 and Q2 you have a self loop as 1 and from Q2 to Q1 you doesn't have anything. So it is only pi. So now how will you form it? So for considering this, since you doesn't have a circle, you doesn't have any cyclic path. Since Q2 to Q1 it is not having any path. It is actually your path is only pi. So how you need to apply this is, since it is having a self loop, it is 0 plus 1 into 1 star into pi. So it is nothing but 1 into 1 star into pi is pi into R will be pi. So you will have only 0. So by eliminating the state Q2 in the self loop, you will have only 0 will be the value. Now you are going to apply the case number 4. Your case number 4 is you are going to have Q3, Q2 and Q1. So here the Q3 is Q3 and you have Q2. So from Q3 to Q2 you have 1. From Q2 to Q3 you have 0. Q2 contains a self loop 1. So now what your value will be? Here you have a cyclic path. So the regular expression R will be 1, 1 star, 0. So here Q3 will have the self loop as 1 into 1 star into 0. So 1, 1 star, 0. But U doesn't have any self loop in the Q3. If it is having a self loop, then the regular expression plus 1 into 1 star 0. Since it doesn't have anything, you are just concatenating all the values. Since it is a self loop, it is 1 star. So now we have completed all the 4 cases. Now the next step is you have eliminated the states. So after eliminating the state, now you have the state Q1, which is both the initial and final, and you have the state Q3, and in the self loop Q1 you apply the case number 3, and for self loop Q3 you apply the case number 4 value, and from Q3 to Q1 and from Q1 to Q3 and from Q3 to Q1. Q3 to Q1 it is case number 2 as 0, and from Q1 to Q3 you have already found as 1, 1 star, 0. This is what is the value. So now what we are going to do is you start apply rule number 2. Apply rule number 2. So rule number 2 is nothing but R equal to, rule number 2 is R. This is what is R, and this is what is S, this is what is U, and this is what is T. So here R will be equal to 0. So R will be equal to R plus S U star T the whole star into S U star. So it is nothing but R is 0, 0 plus S is 1, 1 star 0, and U is 1, 1 star 0 the whole star, T is 0 whole closure into S 1, 1 star 0 into U star 1, 1 star 0 the whole star. This will be your regular expression. So now what you need to do is, here you have found out the regular expression by eliminating the state Q3. So after eliminating the step number 6 is, after eliminating the state Q3, after eliminating state Q3, you have only the state Q1. Q1 is both the initial and final, and your regular expression is now what is this R. So now this R is nothing but which you have already found in the step number 5. So the value is nothing but 0 plus 1, 1 star 0, 1, 1 star 0 the whole closure, 0 the whole closure, and 1, 1 star 0 and 1, 1 star 0 the whole closure. This will be the regular expression after eliminating the state Q3. So now what you need to do is, the step number 6 is apply rule number 3 to find the regular expression. Rule number 3 is whenever you have a single initial and a final state with the regular expression R, then capital R will be equal to the closure. So by applying the rule number 3, the final regular expression capital R will be equal to 0 plus 1, 1 star 0, 1, 1 star 0 the whole closure, 0 the whole closure, 1, 1 star 0, 1, 1 star 0 the whole closure. For entire this regular expression you make a closure. This is what is the final regular expression for the given problem. So I think you understood how to find the regular expression when you have the initial state and final state are the same. When the initial state and final state are the same, you need to apply rule number 1, 2 and 3. When you have a different initial and final state, you need to apply only rule number 1 and 2 to find the final regular expression. I think you are clear how to follow up the steps and how to apply the state elimination method rules to find the regular expression. Apart from this, if you have any doubts or if you want to find any regular expression for a specific automata, you can just comment me on the channel so that I will be solving that problem too. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.